Hello everyone. Today we'll be making a snack with bread. I've taken wheat bread here. I've taken 5 slices of it. Now let's see how to make the filling. I'm using 4 tablespoons of grated mozzarella cheese. Let's add an egg to it. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion granules, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. My cheese is already salty, so I'm not going to add in any more salt to it. Now let's mix all of this together. Let's do the filling part now. We'll place 1 or 2 spoons of the filling in the bread like this and then fold it in this manner. We'll press the edges of the bread so that the filling doesn't come out. I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees. I have lined my baking tray. Now let's arrange the bread on this and put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. My bread has been in the oven for about 20 minutes now. Let's take a look at it. It is nice and crispy. Do give it a try and your kids would love it. Let me know your valuable comments in the comment box. So until we meet again, bye.